Alrighty guys, so we have to take the CDT tests, which are just a diagnostic tool, and it lets us know how you guys are doing as far as projecting whether or not you're going to pass the keystone and what areas you need to improve on. So you have to take this test 3 times each year, and the goal is for you to improve and get better every time you take it. So this is the first time you're going to take it, and I'll be honest with you, some of the questions we haven't covered in class yet. So you're going to look at that and have absolutely no idea what the answer is. And that is completely 100% okay because we haven't done it in class yet. Again, it's just to see if you know this information. And if there's a topic that we haven't covered yet and the class as a whole does really, really well, then maybe I don't need to cover it in as much detail as I was originally going to, which in the end would just save us some time and save you guys a lot of work. So really try your best on it. If you don't know an answer, please don't leave it blank. Take a guess. Try everything. You never know, you might surprise yourself and get it right. So here's some instructions for the first day. It says once you've turned in your SpongeBob assignment, you'll begin working on your CDT test. This is a diagnostic test that will allow me to see what you know and which areas you need to improve on. Your scores will be sent directly to me once you have finished it, and you will receive 10 points for doing it. You will be given the rest of class today and all period tomorrow to complete the test, which is around 50 questions. Sometimes it's a little bit more, sometimes it's a little bit less. You do not need to submit anything into Canvas for this assignment. So as you're looking at it, you'll notice it says submitting. There's nothing because your scores are going to be sent to me outside of Canvas. Then I'll come back and I'll input your points once you do it. Now you get 10 points regardless of how well you do, but you have to actually take it and finish it. If I don't have a score for you, then it's hard for me to give you those 10 points because you didn't do anything. So you still have to earn them. It says, please see the video in order to see how to log in and use your username and password to enter the test. Please make sure that you're using only your username and password in order to get credit for taking the assessment. Your grade should automatically save. So let's say you start the test today and there's 20 minutes left in class and you get to question 15. If you log out of your science test, you should still have those 15 questions done whenever you log back in tomorrow. So that doesn't mean that you just get to hang out for the rest of the day because, I won't have enough time to finish it. No, those answers are going to save, and that'll be less that you have to do tomorrow. So whenever you resume it, you're going to start right where you left off. So you're going to click on this link here that says test link, and it's going to take you to the DRCE testing for 2020. I will have given you your username and your password, which are going to be on a little piece of paper. If you're remote, then I'm going to have to email it to you or figure something else out. But regardless, you'll have your username and password. So you'll enter that stuff, you'll hit sign in, and then you're going to have to click on the science test. There's an English test and a math test as well. You will be doing those, but you're doing them in your English and your math classes. So since this is biology, you're going to click on science and you're going to take that test. Again, everything will be automatically recorded for you, so you're not going to have to worry about saving it. Just don't submit it. If you submit it, then it's going to mark everything that you didn't do wrong. So we'll finish this up tomorrow. It's an easy 10 points to get because all you have to do is take the test. All right, guys, I'll put this link in the box for tomorrow's CDT testing day 2 as well. And you're going to use the same username and password that you used to get into the test today. If you run into issues with something, definitely let me know. Talk to you later.